Hello, this is Connor Hennessy with the Hot Water Heater Energy Storage Group, and this is the testing video for the cost requirement for our system. I have here in front of me a spreadsheet that includes all of the parts that we're using for this system and the price for those parts if we were to purchase them en masse. So for manufacturing this system on a large scale. So what we're using here is 2 converters, 4 capacitors, 1 electrolytic and 3 ceramic, and 11 resistors. All of these parts are coming from DigiKey, except for this one, which is coming from RS because it's a through-hole resistor and not a surface mount resistor. We're also using a microcontroller from Texas Instruments, a temperature sensor, also manufactured by DigiKey, a crystal oscillator, also from DigiKey, and a printed circuit board. The printed circuit board that we were using for this system demonstration came from OSH Park, where it was $27.45 for an order of 3, or $9.15 per capita. A Zigbee radio, this comes from Digi International, and they're $17.50 for the parts that we are using in this system. An accelerometer, which is $17.50 for all of the parts that we're using for this system, and a 3D printed enclosure, which was $7.70. As you can see, the total of all of these parts is $79.05. See that's the sum from J2 to J23. This is J, the row that shows their costs when they're printed or when they're purchased in mass. And J2 is the first converter, and that goes all the way down. That goes all the way down to J23, which is the enclosure, the last part on the list. And the sum is here in this box, which once again you can see is $79.05. Since that's under our $100 requirement, we can say that our cost meets the requirement.